Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano ADA. So we want to investigate here a little bit more if this wave E of this Elliott wave triangle and with the wave E also the wave 4 here has already been finished, which means we should be now heading for further downside in a wave 5, making a lower low below the 38.5 cent level from the 12th of May. Remember, we've been talking about this now probably for the last couple of weeks. This triangle ABCDE, I do expect still further downside for ADA. That is very much in line here with the head and shoulders pattern that we can see here on the 1 hour chart. We do see it on the 4 hour chart as well. Yeah, so you've got that here very clearly. And I wouldn't be surprised if we also see it on the daily chart. Yes, you can see it also on the daily chart. So it's quite relevant, yeah, quite obvious actually. You see it better on the 4 hour because this is a bit messy here, the wick on the left hand side. Nevertheless, we've got here left shoulder, head, right shoulder with a neckline of around 45 cents pretty much. Yeah, and if we go below this level, this could really push us down into the region around 30 cents, around the 88.7% fib level. So based on this Elliott wave triangle ABCDE, we would expect the wave E somewhere here together with that wave 4, and then that means there is another impulse missing to the downside. That could then, that next wave down, larger wave down, could finish off the overall correction for ADA. What would make the count more bullish? As I said before, the count would become more bullish if we get significant price action above 54.7 cents. That would invalidate the triangle to the upside. Until then, my preferred count is here the triangle with heading for lower. However, could it be that this wave 4 is not finished yet and that this wave E is not finished yet? Yes, absolutely. That is what I want to emphasize here in this video. We can see, looking at the Elliott wave triangle, a very long A, a long B, a long C, a long D, a very short wave E. Now, in the wave E, we can, so all waves within a triangle are 3 waves, okay? So as long as we can count 3 waves in each wave, that's fine. We can count it A, B, C, yeah, but it is a very short wave. And if this really had already been the peak, what we would, so if the wave 4 really had been finished here, what we would expect is obviously a breakout at least below 43.5 cents. And also, in my opinion, what we should have seen is more downside. So for now, we can count only a 3-wave move down. So basically another corrective move down, not impulsive. So that is what we would need to see, an impulsive move down below 43.5 cents. That can obviously still happen, but we would need to break below 43.5 cents. I always try to make you aware of things before they occur, as far as I can judge it and assume it and estimate it. But for now, because we can only count 3 waves down, my view is that there is a good chance that wave E is not finished and we actually head a little bit higher to, for example, 49.5 cents is the next significant resistance. Yeah, so I would actually see this as preferred, that we will move up a little bit higher, but it's not a must. Nevertheless, I think this is very likely. So for me, it's a bit like if we go below this 43.5 cent level, or first indication would be here below 44.5. If we go below that, good indication that wave E indeed already peaked. So that means if we make a lower low from anywhere now, it would be a good indication that the wave E has already peaked. Best confirmation for now would be the wave D low at 43.5 cents. But because we see that we actually made a higher low for now, and only 3 waves came down, I think it would actually be preferred to say that there will be a bit more upside, that we take out this 45.7 cent level and then the 46.7 cent level and move a bit higher here, possibly all the way up to 49.2. I think this is safe to say that this is at least a likely option because the wave E is very short and we've made a higher low now, and there is not enough weakness in the chart, so that the impulsiveness to the downside for me personally is missing. Now that could occur over the next few hours or so, but for now I don't see it, and therefore I find it actually more likely to go up a little bit more in a wave E. Nevertheless, we need to be on high alert. Wave E could already be finished, and that would be confirmed at the latest at 43.5 cents. And then final confirmation that we are heading lower will be obtained below the low of the wave B at 42.1 cent. And that's my view about ADA at the moment. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.